He's like, okay, now it's my time to shine.
Let me out. I want to go back outside with my girlfriend.
Oh god, I'm short.
Dun 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 dun. The rooster is extremely entertaining to me. What are you doing? Gagging on a rope.
Oh, why did you do it?
Get him out of the dirt.
I wasn't.
I'm just kidding. You take me serious all the time, and half the time I'm just giving you total shit. Don't be so literal, God.
Thank you.
Bite her butt. That would be freaking hilarious.
What?
I want him to bite your butt because that would be so funny.
That would not be funny.
It would be hilarious. Did you just do that?
What? It was in my face. It was falling off.
It was funny though. No, and I left a hay mess in here, didn't I?
What?
I didn't clean up my hay mess yesterday.
It's okay. Not to treats.
We'll have to get video of you at the shows next summer. You'll have to watch this YouTube video I was watching of this girl jump. She like sits back and tenses up before she goes over a jump, but the horse looks like kind of a pain in the ass.